hate you. I hate you a lot.
Why?
I hate you.
Don't go outside with my wife, guys. it's always a scam.
Hello guys, welcome to Masi and Yang vlog channel. Where are we going?
We're going to the supermarket, to do the groceries. In the meantime, I do the exercise for my job.
So yes, pupunta tayo ngayon ng grocery. Because today is grocery day. So I decided na today ay magtatagalog naman ako dahil naubusan ako ng English dito sa Italy. So, yun na nga, grocery day today. So, may konting challenge kanya ni Masi. What is the challenge?
What is the challenge? I will say the amount of the groceries, and you will say another amount. You guess right. Win 1 week of doing the home job.
No, is that what I said before? So, yung challenge namin today is mag-grocery kami, tapos kung sino, magbebet kami dalawa, kung sino yung makahula ng tamang price ng pagiging grocery namin today, or medyo malapit dun sa price, ay siyang panalo. And then, I said,
I don't know what you said, but
wait, I will translate to you later. Tapos, kung sino yung matatalo, siya ang magbabayad ng aming grocery. Just say yes.
Yes.
So, what is your bet?
My bet is 30 euros. I don't want to spend more than 30 euros.
It's impossible. Okay, I go for 40 euros. Deal?
Deal.
Pogi, pogi.
Pogi, pogi.
Pogi. Pogi.
You know, pogi, it looks like pookie. When you
Ay,
put
don't
someone.
say that. Pogi, pogi. Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta?
Ako sa
Grocery.
grocery.
Okay.
We still have the chips at home.
Yeah, we never finished the chips. We are good job. We are good. Because tinitignan nila ako guys kasi nagbibideo daw ako.
Let's see if they have the peach you like. No. They finish everything.
I used the carrot at home.
Yeah, but we still have 1 carrot.
No, I used that
Ah,
already.
you used it.
So ayaw niya nung naka-plastic na. So dito niya kukunin. Magkano yan? How much is it? How much is this?
This is 2 euro per kilo. They are little carrots. When the winter will come again, we will do a lot of nilaga.
Oh, did you miss my nilaga?
Yes.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
And what
You can
else?
do the sinigang with the watermelon, but it's very hot for the sinigang.
Yeah, when the winter comes, huh? We do the sinigang with the watermelon.
It's hard to
but-
find. It's hard to find.
During the winter, there's no watermelon. But it's summer. Watermelon is only for summer. Bili mo ako apple.
Milima for apple.
Could you buy me the apples?
Let's see who will pay. We have a dinner.
Oh, okay. I prefer the mango than apple. Mango. This is
Mango is 1 euro 49.
€1.49 ang manga. And that is €1 is 70 pesos. So you convert it.
For my experience, when the mango is wet, it's not good. For my experience, when there is hair on the mango,
Ah,
it's not good.
so we don't buy it. Oh no, you're just making a reason for not to buy it, huh?
I try to choose the best one.
So you win the bet.
Look.
Good, get it. I don't care. I will peel it anyway.
2 is enough. Huh?
Yeah. See, the coconut here is very expensive. Look, it's very little, but it's
1 euro 49.
€1.49. It's like 70, 35, 100 something for little coconut. Banana. How much is the banana? Wow, banana is
2 euro.
€1.99, like 140.
So we are already 6 euros now.
You already computed. What else do we need to take? The meat?
The meat.
We still have
Chicken.
meat.
Beef,
Yeah,
yes.
chicken because we still have the beef.
Chicken is there.
Okay. This is
This is the...
5 euros. Do you think it's a lot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take the little one.
December.
December? It's fine. But how much is that? Pada. Get it. You pay.
No.
What?
He wants to make me lose in purpose.
No. We need this. We need
You
everything.
need everything. Yeah, for
Yeah.
living. The croissant.
You take the
For you.
You took the
For you,
croissant.
yes.
Okay, thank you. But yeah.
6 pieces for 2,89 euros.
Get it. I don't care.
Yeah, you pay.
No.
Yes.
If you reach 40, you pay. If just 30, I pay.
I don't have my wallet.
Really? I hate you. Paper for what?
For tatay.
Tatay? Yeah, get the paper for the tae. That is 6 euros. Good, take it.
A lot, and you use the same paper
What?
for your face.
Not my fault to po a lot.
Yes, it's
Ikaw.
not my fault if you poo a lot.
No,
need a lot
you
of
po a lot,
paper.
not me. I wash my
I
teeth.
hope.
I wash my
I
teeth.
hope.
Let's take the sausage. Let's add more to this grocery.
For 55 cents.
8 pieces, okay.
Yeah.
55
These are
cents.
made with the human flesh.
Take the water. Take the water. Can we get 3 water because we almost finished?
2 is the magic number.
Oh! 2? Okay. Guys, dito kasi sa Italy, hindi uso ang water station. So, palaging bottled water ang iniinom namin. Babu,
Oh wait.
if the price is 35 euros, it's a tie.
You
So-
find every way if you don't pay,
So, we split the bill, okay? If it's a tie. Huh?
it's a fine.
Faster. Babu, it's time for you to pay.
38 euro e 55 centesimi.
I hate you a lot.
Why?
I hate you.
Why?
Guys, nakakainis si Masi.
Hey, don't say bad things about me. I win legally.
He tricked me.
Mine
Because
was an honest win.
nung nasa cashier kami, ang dinig ko 32. So binayaran ko kasi 32. 30 siya, 40 ako. So mas malapit yung 30. So akala ko talo ako.
Ako,
Tapos nung chinek ko yung resibo. Where is the receipt? 38! 38.22. I don't know if you see, but yeah, 38.22. I hate you!
it's not true. You love me.
Anyway, but usually naman siya yung nagbabayad ng aming grocery. So, okay lang na ako magbayad today. So, anyway, di pa naman kami tapos mag-grocery. I mean, bibili pa kami ng kape, toothpaste, sa ibang store, sa ibang grocery store. And, siya na yung magbabayad. Kaya, okay lang. Mahal din yun. Mga 10 euros din siguro yung magagastos namin. Or 15, 10 to 15. So, you pay? Okay, later.
When?
You said you will pay for the coffee. Yes?
Okay, yes. Yes or not? Yes or not? Write in the comments, Massimo should to pay for the coffee. Everyone, write no.
What? No! So guys, bawi tayo kay Masia. Bawi tayo, siya magbabayad ngayon.
Siamo partiti dall'amico americano tale.
Baba, I don't have my money, ha? Pogi. Pogi. Babu, they have the pitch. Okay. Pay it. I will pay for you. I will pay it later for you.
For me, you will pay me later.
Yeah, I have 3 euros on my card.
How? How do you will pay me?
I have cash on my wallet.
I don't believe
Or
it.
I will pay it tonight. Do you like?
No, I'm a virgin now.
Babu, we need the honey.
No, I don't think you need it.
Babu, we need the honey.
No, I don't think you need it. You want the coffee?
Yeah, not that one, the
Yeah,
other
but this
one.
one.
No, that no. Yeah, take that, take that.
This one is
This
expensive.
is-
I don't like it.
Nescafe Gold for 7 euros. Ting! How much did you pay?
15 and 74. 1, 2, 3, 4 things.
15 euros, huh? Sorry.
Don't go outside with my wife, guys. it's always a scam.
No, it's everything here is expensive. So guys, nagbayad si Masi ng 15 euros.
And 70.
Cents. So guys, that is for today's video. Everything is finished.
Everything, even the money is finished.
So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video namin, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what you want us to do next time, okay?
Everything. Bye-bye. Salamat po for everything. Maganda gabi.
Great. Bye.